Arroyo, Helia, Tumayan, and Mungkal. First by from Barangay Buenavista Rizal, Sampiroy, Pangilinan, Dulates, Alvar, and Bahar. Battle of jumper between Dulates and Tumayan. Pipino driving the ball to Helia. Helia driving the ball to Mungkal. Shot clock 14 to Tumayan. Connect for 2 points by Tumayan. And Pangilinan for the bound to Dulates. Dulates to Alvar. Sampiroy rather to Dulates. Dulates. Fars for 3. Pangilinan. Helia for the rebound. Helia driving the ball. And last touch by Dulates. Tumayan to Pipino. Fars for 3. Too strong. Arroyo to Helia. No good. Pipino, first, connect for 2 points by Pipino. Dulates to Bahar, Bahar, drive. No good. Arroyo for the rebound. Arroyo to Helia. Helia driving the ball. Shot clock 14. Bahar for the rebound. Bahar dribble the ball. There's last touch by Pipino. Bahar to Pangilinan. Bars for 3, no good. Mungkal for the rebound. To Helia. Helia dribble the ball. Shot clock 10. There's a whistle. It's a traveling violation. Dulates to Sampiroy, to Alvar, to Dulates, intercept by Helia, recovery by Alvar to Dulates, extra pass to Pangilinan, connect for 2 points by Pangilinan, and Mungkal for the rebound to Pipino. Pipino driving the ball, guarded by Dulates, intercept by Dulates. Dulates lays up, too strong. Helia for the rebound. Helia driving the ball, guarded by Sampiroy. Helia, intercept by Sampiroy to Dulates. Dulates driving the ball. First connect for 2 points by Dulates, and the scores of 4-all. First deadlock of the game. Helia driving the ball, guarded by Alvar. Shot clock 14. Helia to Mungkal, 10 to shoot. Sampiroy driving the ball, drive, lays up, no good. Pipino for the rebound. Pipino, intercept by Alvar to Bahar. Drive denied. Bahar to Dulates, shot clock 14. Dulates dribbling the ball, 10 to shoot. Fars for 3, no good. Pipino for the rebound. Pipino dribbling the ball, intercept by Dulates. Dulates drive, no good. Dulates again, no good. Tumayan for the rebound to Helia. Helia dribbling the ball to Arroyo. Extra pass to Mungkal. Too strong. Arroyo is there, connect for 2 points by Arroyo. Dulates dribbling the ball to Sampiroy. Tumayan for the rebound to Helia. Helia dribbling the ball to Tumayan. There's a result. It's a traveling violation and timeout. Barangay Buena Vista Rizal and remaining time 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining time. 5 minutes and 49 seconds. And the scores of 6-4. 2-point lead by Barangay Candrama. Dolantes dribbling the ball. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. Tumayan for the rebound. Tumayan fast break fouls. To jersey number 19. No good. Pangilinon for the rebound to Dolantes. Dolantes dribbling the ball. Guarded by Pipino. Fars for 2. Connect for 2 points by Dolantes. And Tumayan for the rebound to Helia. Helia dribbling the ball. Shot clock 14. Helia guarded by Zampiroy. Extra pass to Tumayan. May kasama pang foul. Jersey number 15. Pangilinon. First personal foul. And Tumayan from the picture line. Sub. The bonus through. Ball. For 2 points by Pipino. Flores for the pound to Dolantes to Zampiroy. Pipino guarded by Zampiroy. Recovery by Pipino. Pipino to Arroyo. Arroyo dribbling ball. Arroyo drive denied. Dolantes for the rebound. Dolantes dribbling the ball. Dolantes to Bahar. Too strong. Jersey number 19 for the rebound. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Flores to Helia. Helia dribbling the ball. Guarded by Zampiroy. Looking for opening to jersey number 19. Bars for 3. No good. Bahar for the rebound to Zampiroy. Zampiroy dribbling the ball. Bars no good. Pipino for the rebound. Pipino dribbling the ball. Pipino drive. And sub. Connect for 2 points by Parpa. Dolantes to Flores to Pangilinon. Pangilinon dribbling the ball. To Dolantes. Bars for 3. No good. Bahar for the rebound to Pangilinon. And there's a whistle. Jersey number 33. Monghal. First personal foul. Sub. Sub. Pipino for the rebound. Pipino. Pass break pass. Intercept by Otaide. Otaide to Flores. Intercept by Reco. Correct for 2 points by Reco. Flores for the rebound to Sampiroy. Intercept by Mungkal and out of bounds. Reco to Ivanaga, intercept by Bahar. Bahar driving the ball to Pangilinan to Otaide. Fars too strong. Sampiroy for the rebound. Shot clock 14. Fars no good. Parpa for the rebound. Parpa driving the ball. Drive lays up no good. Sub. Sampiroy for the bound to Dolates. Dolates driving the ball. Back to Sampiroy. Intercept by Parpa to Reco. Back to Parpa. Lays up. No good. Dolates for the rebound. Dolates to Otaide. Alparra there. There's Oizol. Jersey number 33. Mungkal, second personal foul. Pangilinan for the bound to Bahar. Bahar, first. No good. To Parva. Parva drive, lays up, no good. Recto is there. Recto for the second chance. No good. Dolates for the rebound to Bahar. Bahar using the glass. My God, sama pang foul. Jersey number 19 and timeout. Barangay Gandroma. Ipanaga first personal foul. 1 minute and 36 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 36 seconds. And the scores of 14-9. 5-point lead by Barangay Gandroma. Complete 3 points by Bahar. Mungkal to Parva. Parva dribbling ball. Fars for the long two. No good. And last touch by Mungkal. Pangilinan boarding bound to Sampiroy. Sampiroy to Bahar. Bahar dribbling the ball. Drive, lays up, no good. Flores for the rebound to Dolates. Fade away, no good. Jersey number 23 for the rebound to Parva. Parva dribbling the ball. Drive, no good. Dolates for the rebound. Dolates dribbling the ball. Pass break pass to Bahar using the glass connect for 2 points by Bahar. Step on the line. 40 seconds remaining time. 40 seconds. Bahar. There's Rizal. Jersey number 11, Recto. First personal foul by Recto and Bahar from the feature line for the first two. Bahar for the last two. Ball and play. Helia to Parva. Parva drive lays up, connect for 2 points by Parva. 25. And the set by Parva. 20. 15 seconds. Then, may kasama pang foul. Jersey number 3, Bahar. First personal foul by Bahar. And Mungkal from the feature line for the bonus 2. Complete. 3 points by Mungkal and sub. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds. 10. 5. End of the first quarter game between Barangay Candroma and Barangay Buena Vista Rizal, and the scores of 19-12. 7-point lead by Barangay Candroma.
Ten seconds left. 10 seconds.
Damo na ako na damo.
Remaining time. At third, second quarter left.
Bahar, fars no good. Mongkal for the rebound to Parva. Parva dribbling the ball, guarded by Sampiroy. To Helia, shot clock 14. Pangilinon for the rebound. To Dulates. Dulates dribbling the ball, guarded by Parva. Fars. Arroyo for the rebound to Parva. Parva dribbling the ball. Drive. Extra pass to Lokod. No good. Arroyo again. There's the result. Jersey number 4, Sampiroy. First personal foul by Sampiroy. Arroyo for the second through. Ball and play. Arroyo. Shot clock 10. To Helia. Points by Helia. Down to Sampiroy to Dulates. Dulates. Stop and pump, connect for 2 points by Dulates. Parva for the foul to Helia. Helia dribbling the ball. Drive, extra pass to Lokot. There's the result. Jersey number 26, Dulantes, first personal foul. Connect for 1 point. Lokot from the second through ball at to Dulantes dribbling the ball for 3 points by Dulantes. Farba for the foul to Helia dribbling the ball to Lokot drive, no good. Bahar for the rebound. Bahar, there's the result. Jersey number 9. Number 26, Lukot. Pangili Samperoy dribbling the ball. Sab. Pipino for the ball to Helia dribbling the ball. Helia guarded by Dulantes. Helia. Extra pass to Arroyo. Out of bounds. Sab. Pangilinan for the bound to Bahar dribbling the ball. Pangilinan to Dulantes, stars for 3, no good. Filipino for the rebound, Filipino dribbling the ball, intercept by Dulantes lays up, connect for 2 points by Dulantes. And Filipino for the rebound to Helia, intercept again by Dulantes dribbling the ball, drive. Filipino for the rebound, Filipino to Arroyo dribbling the ball, intercept by Pangilinan. There's the result. Jersey number 6, Arroyo. Arroyo first personal foul and Dulantes. First connect for 2 points by Dulantes. Helia dribbling the ball. Shot clock 14. Helia looking for opening to Pipino, 10 to shoot. There's the result. It's a driving violation. Bahar first, no good. Mungkal for the rebound, Mungkal to Helia to Pipino to Mungkal, connect for 2 points by Mungkal. Pangilinan for the down, Pangilinan and the set by Helia and out of bounds. Sub. Pangilinan for the bound to Dulantes to Bahar using the Nasmay kasama bang foul. Jersey number 3 to Mayan. First personal foul by Mayan and stop. Arroyo for the rebound. Arroyo to Pipino. Pipino to Helia. Helia to be the ball held by Bahar. Helia to Arroyo. Too high. Dolantes serving the ball. Intercept by Arroyo. Arroyo to Pipino. Pipino driving the ball to Helia. Helia driving the ball. Guarded by Dolantes. Helia looking from beneath. Shot clock 14 to Pipino. To Arroyo. No good. Arroyo again. No good. Pipino. Pipino again. There's a whistle. Jersey number 26 to Lates. Second personal foul, and Pipino from the pit line for the first two. Pipino for the second through. Ball and play. Complete 2 points by Pipino and sub. Samperoy to Bahar. There's a whistle. It's a traveling violation. Helia driving the ball. Too strong. Samperoy pass break pass to Alvar. Alvar. Intercept by Pipino. Pipino driving the ball. And timeout. Barangay Buena Vista Rizal. And remaining time 2 minutes and 39 seconds. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. And the scores of 29-23. 6-point lead by Barangay Candroma. Mongkal driving the ball to Recto. Recto driving the ball. Back to Mongkal. Mongkal driving the ball to Pipino. Recto is there. Connect for 2 points by Recto. Pangilinon for the bound. Pangilinon. Flores and Gonzalez to Pipino. Pipino driving the ball. Guarded by Flores. Pipino to Mongkal. Shot clock. There's a whistle. 3 seconds violation by Parma. Pangilinon for the bound. Pangilinon to Bahar. Bahar driving the ball. Intercept by Gonzalez to Parma to Recto. No good. Pangilinon for the rebound to Dolantes. Dolantes driving the ball. Intercept by Recto to Mongkal. Out of bounds. Flores to Bahar. Bahar driving the ball. Turn around and shot denied. Recto to Mongkal. Using the glass too strong. And Gonzalez for the rebound. Flores for the rebound to Dolantes. Dolantes driving the ball. Guarded by Mongcal Dulates. Turn around and extra pass to Bahar. Correct for 2 points by Bahar. Mongcal to Pipino. Pipino to Mongcal. 50 seconds remaining time. Pangilinan for the rebound. Flores. Linon. Dulates 45. 40 seconds. And last by Flores. $35. 30 seconds. Pipino turn around and lays up for 2 points by Pipino. 25. 20 seconds. There's Wizon. Jersey number 7, Pipino. First personal foul. 14 seconds remaining time. Sub. Connect for 1 point. Flores for the second through 14 seconds. 14 seconds. The second quarter game. Barangay Gandroma, Buenavista Rizal, and the scores of 33-28 in favor of Barangay Gandroma. Back to the ball game for the third quarter game between Barangay Buenavista Rizal and Barangay Gandroma. It's a traveling violation. Natura to Dulates for the rebound. Intercept by Madayag. Madayag to Helia. Back to Madayag. Bars no good. And jump on. Helia. To Recto. And set by Flores to Bahar. Bahar dribbling the ball. Lays up connect for 2 points by Bahar. And Mataya for the ball to Helia. Helia dribbling the ball guarded by Dulades to Recto. First. Sub. Alvar dribbling the ball to Dulades. Drive. There's Wizong. Jersey number 22. Natura first. Personal foul by Natura. Dulades dribbling the ball to Alvar. Correct for 2 points by Alvar. Helia dribbling the ball. Drive. No good. Recto is there. No good. Recto again for the second chance. No good. Pangilinan for the rebound, but there's a result. Jersey number 10, Helia. First personal foul by Helia. And to Pangilinan, lays a blank for 2 points by Pangilinan. And the scores of 34-33, 1 point lead by Barangay Buena Vista Rizal. Gonzales to strong, Recto for the second chance, no good. Madayan to Gonzales, connect for 2 points by Gonzales. And Pangilinan for the rebound to Dulades. Dulades dribbling the ball to Sampiroy. Drive, extra pass to Bahar, turn around and fade away, no good. Madayag for the rebound to Helia dribbling the ball, guarded by Sampiroy to Gonzales. Correct for 2 points by Gonzales. Warning for jersey number 21, delaying the game, Gonzales. Pangilinan to Dulades. Dulades dribbling the ball. There's Wizong. Jersey number 12, Madayag. First personal foul by Madayag. And Dulades from the middle line for the first 2. Dulades for the second through. Ball and play. And jump ball. Arrow goes to Barangay Gandroma. And sa players, antis ka mo magsulod sa court, itakin nyo na daan. Intercept by Dulades, connect for 2 points by Dulades. To Helia to Pipino, drive, lays up, no good. Parpa for the rebound, no good. There's Wizong. Jersey number 15, Pangilinan, second personal foul. Pipino for the second through, ball and play. Connect for 1 point by Pipino. And Bahar for the bound to Alvar. Alvar dribbling the ball. Intercept by Mongkal dribbling the ball to Helia to Parva, no good. Mongkal. Correct for 2 points by jersey number 26. Pangilinon to Bahar to Alvar. Fars for 3. Mongkal for the rebound to Pipino. Pipino driving the ball. Extra pass to Parva. Connect for 2 points by Parva. And Pangilinon for the rebound to Dulades. Dulades driving the ball. Dulades. Extra pass to Alvar. Fake and shot short. Dulades again. Mongkal for the rebound. Mongkal to Helia. Helia. Drive, lays up, no good. To Pipino, and there's the result. 3 seconds violation and timeout. Barangay Buenavista Rizal. And remaining time 4 minutes and 44 seconds. 4 minutes and 44 seconds for the third quarter game. And the scores of 42-36 in favor of Barangay Candroma. Flores to Alvar. Alvar. There's the result. Jersey number 33. Mongkal. Pushing foul. Third personal foul by Mongkal. And Flores for the rebound. To Alvar. Alvar to Bahar. Bahar dribbling the ball and Vars connect for 2 points by Bahar. Parva for the ball to Mongkal. Mongkal. Back to Parva. Parva dribbling the ball to Mongkal. Vars. Mongkal. Parva for the third chance. Lokot. Lokot connect for 2 points by Lokot. And Flores to Dulades to Bahar. Lays up. There's the result. Jersey number 26, Lokot. Second personal foul. Connect for 1 point. Bahar from the beat line for the second 2. Ball and play. It's a traveling violation. Flores for the bound to Bahar. Back to Flores. To Samperoy. Vars for 3. Alvar for the rebound to Dulades. Dulades. 10 to shoot. Dulades, 10 to shoot. Samperoy to Dulades, Vars for 3. Her ball. Pipino giving the ball. And sub. 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 Arroyo to Barba. Barba drive, lays up, connect for 2 points by Barba. Pangilinan to Bahar. Bahar dribbling the ball. Drive, lays up, no good. Look out for the rebound to Barba. Barba. One minute and 45 seconds. Barba drive, lays up, connect for 2 points by Barba. Flores for the rebound. Barba for the rebound to Mongkal. Mongkal drive, connect for 2 points by Mongkal. Pangilinan dribbling the ball to Flores, intercept by Barba. Barba dribbling the ball. Guarded by Sampiroy. Barba looking for a lead to Mongkal. To Lokot, connect for 2 points by Lokot. And Bahar for the rebound to Sampiroy. Back to Bahar. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Connect for 2 points by Mongkal. 30 seconds. 25. 20 seconds. 15. 10. 5. 2.7. 2.7. 2.7 seconds. 2.7. 2.7. 2.7. End of the third quarter game between Barangay Candroma and Barangay Buenavista Rizal. And the scores of 56, 38, 56, 38. Fifty-six 39 kay Tita Mildred. 56-39. Helia lays up for 2 points by Helia. Dolantes to Flores. Flores dribbling the ball. There's of his own. Jersey number 2, Cajes. First personal foul by Cajes. Foul and Jersey Arroyo, third personal foul. Dolan. Ball and play. Early entry. Dulantes for the last two. Ball and play. Complete 3 points by Dulantes. And Rico for the pound to Arroyo. Back to Rico. Rico to jersey number 19 to Kayes. No good. Arroyo for the rebound. Correct for 2 points by Arroyo. And Flores for the pound. Intercept by Kayes to Arroyo. Arroyo drive. Correct for 2 points by Arroyo. And timeout. Timeout, Barangay Buena Vista, Rizal. And the scores of 62-42. Then a 20-point lead by Barangay Candroma. Dulantes dribbling the ball. Guarded by Rico. Dulantes. And the serve by Kayes. Recovery by Dulantes. Recovery by Flores. Pass break pass. And the serve by Arroyo. Arroyo to Helia. Helia dribbling the ball to Arroyo. And the serve. Flores to Bahar. Drive denied. Helia for the rebound. Helia to win the ball. Jersey number 27, Flores. First personal foul by Flores. Connect for 3 points by Kayes. Samperoy dribbling the ball. Fars, no good, and sub. Recto to Kayes, Fars for 3, no good, Arroyo. It's a traveling violation. Bahar, there's a whistle. Jersey number 33, Mungkal. Fourth personal foul and sub. Dulantes to Bahar, bars for 3 points by Bahar. Arroyo for the bound to Rico. Rico to jersey number 19. Connect for 2 points by Panaga. Pangilinan to Bahar. Bahar to Flores. Flores to Pangilinan to Dulantes. Dulantes drive. There's a whistle. Jersey number 22, Natura. Second personal foul by Natura. And sub. 5 minutes and time. Connect for 1 point. Goal for the second two. Ball and play. Complete and sub. Recto to Gahes, no good. Pangilinan for the rebound to Bahar. Bahar dribbling the ball, guarded by Gahes. Bahar. There's a zone. Jersey number 22, Natura. Third personal foul and penalty. Penalty. Connect for 1 point. Bahar for the second through ball line play. 5 minutes remaining time. 5 minutes 2 seconds. Intercept by Sampiroy to Bahar to Dulantes. Back to Bahar. No good. Dulantes again. No good. Alvar is there. Connect for 2 points by Alvar. Pipino dribbling the ball. Pipino lays up and may kasama pang foul. Jersey number 26, Dulantes. Third personal foul by Dulantes. 4 in, 4 out. Pipino for the bonus through ball and play. Illegal entry for jersey number 7. Dulantes dribbling the ball to Alvar, turn around and fade away. Connect for 2 points by Alvar. To Parva, lays up, connect for 2 points by Parva. Pangilinan, intercept by Pipino. Connect for 2 points by Pipino. Alvar, there's a zone. Jersey number 23. Aldea first personal foul. Three minutes and 35 seconds. Pangilinan for the rebound. Pangilinan, 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time to Dulantes. Two minutes and 50 seconds. Alde. To Mayan. No good. To Mayan again. Parva. Bars for 3. Dulantes for the rebound. Dulantes. Fast break pass to Bahar. Intercept by Parva. Parva dribbling the ball. Intercept by Pangilinan. Pangilinan. Bahar, bars, no good. And last touch by Mungpang and sub. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. And timeout. Barangay Buena Vista Rizal. minutes and 9 seconds remaining time. Barangay Buena Vista Rizal. Wala na kamobilin timeout. Ang Barangay Gandroma may 3 pa. Technical for delaying the game. Buena Vista Rizal. Right over the bound to Helia, to Kayes, no good. Gonzalez for the rebound. Last 2 minutes. Connect for 2 points. Flores for the rebound to jersey number 28. Back to Flores. And there's the whistle. Jersey number 2, Cajes. Second personal foul and penalty. Flores round the beater line for the second throw ball and play. Recto for the rebound. Recto dribbling the ball guarded by Otaide. To Helia. Dribbling the ball guarded by Maliksi. Intercept by De La Torre. Otaide to jersey number 5 to Maliksi. First, De La Torre for the rebound to Otaide to Flores to jersey number 5, no good. Flores for the rebound. There's the whistle. Jersey number 10, Helia. Second personal foul by Helia. 53 seconds remaining time. 53 seconds. Connect for 1 point. Flores for the second throw. Ball and play. Recto for the rebound to Kayes doing the ball and the set by Flores. Kayes for the rebound for 3 seconds. 35. 30 seconds. Jersey number 27, Flores. Second personal foul. Twenty seconds. Ten. 5. Player seconds.